Want to make previously deleted files harder to recover? BleachBit includes a feature called Wipe Free Space, which overwrites unused space on your drive without deleting your existing files. In this guide, I'll show you how to wipe free disk space with BleachBit safely. Let's get started. Before you begin, it's important to understand what this feature does. Wiping free disk space doesn't erase your current files. Instead, it overwrites the unused areas of the drive where deleted files might still be recoverable. This process can take a significant amount of time, especially on larger drives. Next, launch BleachBit from the Start menu. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes to allow administrator access. This helps ensure BleachBit can perform the requested maintenance task. Now open the File menu and choose Wipe Free Space. Select the drive you want to process, then confirm your selection. Be sure you've chosen the correct drive before continuing, because the process can take quite a while to complete. Click OK or Start, depending on your version of BleachBit, and allow the application to begin overwriting the free space. Avoid interrupting the process while it's running. The exact completion time depends on your drive size, available free space, and storage speed. Once the process finishes, BleachBit will return to the main window. You can continue using your computer normally afterward. If you're preparing a computer for resale or disposal, remember that wiping free space only affects previously deleted data. It does not securely erase files that still exist on the drive, and that's how to wipe free disk space with BleachBit. Using this feature can help make previously deleted files more difficult to recover while leaving your current files untouched. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.